The occasional case of foul breath affects almost everyone. However, some people struggle to find a solution to their daily issue with foul breath. Approximately 30% of people express some form of breath complaint. Bad breath, or halitosis, frequently happens following a meal high in garlic or right after waking up. Smoking tobacco and consuming alcoholic beverages or coffee are two more causes of transient halitosis. Some people may not be aware of their own halitosis and find out about it from a friend, family member, or coworker, which can be upsetting and distressing. In extreme circumstances, poor breath and body odor can have a detrimental effect on a person's quality of life and interpersonal interactions. What causes bad breath? Both within and outside of the mouth are potential sources of bad breath. Bacteria on the teeth and debris on the tongue are the two main causes of bad breath. Therefore, it should come as no surprise that the majority of cases of halitosis are linked to poor oral hygiene, gum diseases including gingivitis and periodontitis, and dry mouth, a condition when the salivary glands are unable to produce enough saliva to keep your mouth moist. Here are 5 suggestions from a doctor for preventing bad breath.
If you think you're the only one with bad breath, then think again. 100% of the world's population can and does get a foul odor in their mouths every day. Its medical name is halitosis. It's a buildup of volatile sulfur compounds that are repeatedly exhaled. The culprit? Food and smoke. For thousands of years, dating back to medical scrolls from 1500 BC, halitosis has been a major concern of ancient cultures who had their own remedies and treatments for bad breath. In the Far East, early tongue cleaners consisted of aromatic herbs and spices that could disguise bad breath. Things like cloves, cinnamon, parsley, mint, and even guava are just a few olden-day quick fixes. But halitosis is often more than a personal hygiene problem. It can be related to health problems such as diabetes and acid reflux, and we often end up blaming and even ostracizing the sufferer. As an international dental professional, I've found that the best way to get rid of bad breath is not always the most obvious. Here are my top 5 picks for beating down bad breath. Toss the cigarettes. Just say no to garlic, onions, and cabbage. Swish the mouthwash and pop a breath mint. Brush and floss after every meal and scrape your tongue at least once a day. And the #1 way to make a mouth smell good for a full 24 hours? Dab a few drops of tea tree oil or peppermint oil on your tongue. I'm Dr. Gary Glassman, and no appointments necessary for good oral health.